Hi, my name is Remo. I'm from Holland, the Netherlands. I live in Arnhem together with my two sons and my girlfriend Petra. I met her over 30 years ago in Kaprun. She was one of my customers in my ski trip I organized with a friend, and I already spotted her in the bus, and then later on the piste, on the slopes, I was her snowboard teacher. Not very successful because after 2 days she threw the snowboard in the corner and took out her skis because she's an excellent skier. Good. Couple of years we've started doing winter sports with all families, and as you see, I'm a fanatic slalom snowboarder. My boys they use free ride boards, and they like to go in the fun area and do some jumping, and they love to ride powder. And last year I bought for my youngest son a new board. No, not a new board. I bought a second-hand used board, and he was complaining about the speed. And I'm not very a materialistic man, so I always say just push it. But he was right. And sometimes you also have connection slopes from one lift to the other, and then it's nice if the board goes smooth over the snow. So he was complaining, and I think he's right. So I decided to let the board sharpen and wax. But I did some research on the internet, and I found out that you can do it yourself. I contacted some friends of mine, Harry and Peter. They all do the tuning themselves. I see their videos and they're all fond of it, doing it themselves. So I thought if they can do it, I can do it. So I watched over 4 or 5 hours of instruction videos, and it's quite simple. So I bought a kit on Amazon, XC-Man kit, and in this video I will start unboxing the kit, so to show you what's all in it. So thank you for your time, enjoy the video, and maybe we see each other on the slopes. If you see this yellow arrow coming by, then it's me probably, because the slalom riders are almost extinct. Have fun! See you. So, as I told you, I bought the XC-Man tuning and waxing kit. It's nicely portable in this carrying bag, so you can take it with you on holiday. So let's see what's in it. Of course, obviously, the first thing we see is the edge grinder. It's adjustable. I will discuss this later. We have training wax in a nice box. 2 manuals for the iron and instructions on how to repair and trim. And we have PT P-tags to repair big damages to the board or the skis. We have the scraper with the edge. In order to the edge, you need to remove excess wax from the steel edges, and of course the shaper you use to remove after waxing. You remove the excess wax from the board. Here we see an edge tuner. It feels rubbery. You use this to rub off brims and to detune the final part of the board. So I mean the top edges. The edges you do not need to get grip, and sometimes you use it to make the edges a bit less sharp. And then here's sanding paper, okay, and a metal scraper. You use this to remove P-tags, excess P-tags, before you start grinding the P-tags and leveling it. Okay, let's see what we have inside the big compartment. Here's several brushes. This is a brass brush. It's very tough. This is the horse hair brush. It's still tough, but less tough to give it a nice finish. And the nylon brush to make a nice profile in the wax for the water to release itself. Then here we have the iron, nice adjustable temperature, looks perfect, quite heavy and nice big body to retain the heat and to stay stable. What do we have here? I see, we have the diamond files. The black one is the roughest, the red one is a little smoother, and the green one is very smooth to give a real shiny, glossy look to your steel edges. And this, I believe, is a spare file for rough tuning. What have we more? We have some rubber bands. The rubber bands you use for the to fix the brakes of your skis. And this, yeah, I don't know why they put it. I saw it on the item list. Spare parts to mount the bindings to your snowboard, I guess. Okay, that's it. It's a complete package. You don't need anything else. Probably when tuning at house you will have other tools, but this is a perfect setup to take with you and to do the repair and tuning and waxing of your snowboard. So let's wrap this up. I can take it with me. Let's start waxing.